Apple has changed the default notification from tritone to rebound, and a lot of you must have noticed this change. Let's talk about it. It's been more than a month since iOS 17 was released, and users have been exploring its plethora of new exciting features. However, in the midst of all the improvements and innovations, there's one aspect that's garnered significant attention and, let's be honest, frustration from the Apple community. In this video, we're going to talk about how Apple changed the default notification sound in iOS 17 and why this change has left many users less than thrilled. In previous iOS versions, the default notification sound was the iconic tritone, a tone that was not only pleasant to the ears, but also audibly distinct, ensuring you never missed a notification. But with the release of iOS 17, Apple decided to make a change, and not for the better, as many users have noted. The new default notification sound is called Rebound, and it's safe to say it's a significant departure from what users were accustomed to. While some users are expressing enthusiasm for the new tone, others are not liking the change. Some of this merely comes down to personal preference, of course, on what sounds they prefer. Not only is Rebound different, but it's also been met with mixed reviews at best. The first issue that users noticed is that Rebound is significantly quieter than the trusted old tritone. Especially when the phone is buried in your pocket or purse, the muffled noise is harder to hear than tritone. This sudden drop in volume has led users to miss notifications that they would have never overlooked with the previous tone. To make matters even more interesting or frustrated depending on your perspective, some users have reported that the rebound tone sounds eerily similar to the notification tone that plays when a call is rejected on certain Android phones like the Samsung. Now that's not something you want your iPhone to be associated with, is it? But here's the kicker. Apple, in all its wisdom, hasn't provided any straightforward method to change the default notification sound back to the beloved tritone. This has left many users asking the question, why Apple, why? Users were hoping for a quick fix in the latest iOS 17.1 update that was released a couple of days ago, but sadly, the default notification sound remains unchanged. I'm making this video because I see that no other YouTuber has picked this topic. I urge you to like and comment on this video so that it gains some momentum, and then Apple might change the notification sound back to the beloved tritone. Also, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Sadly, iPhone users will now hear Rebound whether they like it or not. I hope you found this video informative and useful. See you in the next one.